Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we change the canvas size on a CapCut application. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut, and after that you just need to go click a new project, or we can also choose the previous project that we have. For example, I want to change the ratio of this project. I want to make it like for YouTube user. So you just need to go focus in this down features and go click a ratio. In this ratio, you can just choose what ratio or what used that you want to have the canvas. Okay, for example, if you want for Instagram post, you just need to click this, or if you want to have for a YouTube, you just need to click this. And now you already have a the canvas size for YouTube. And all the things for that you need to do next is just by adjusting the size of your clip, just by click the clip. Oh, sorry, first you need to click done first. Okay, and after that click the clips, and now you can resizing it by pinch with two of your fingers and go into outside to adjusting the position as well as the size of the clip. And after you're done, you just need to type anywhere randomly right there. Okay, let's have a test first. And now your video already have the ratio for the YouTube, and that's all the way how we change the size of our canvas on CapCut application. So if you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment into this channel.